Good morning, children. How's your morning today? Okay, do you wait for your English class? Do you love your English class? Okay, that's good if you love your English class. Why do you love your English class? To learn about new things, to read new stories, right? That is why you love your English class? Okay, keep loving it. So, before your exams, we were reading this story for my babies, and the story was about Sarah, and there was conversation going on between Sarah and her mother. Okay, Sarah was not able to find out her ribbon. She thought that she kept it on the table, but now it is missing. So, Mama and Sarah both were looking for that ribbon, red ribbon. But what happened next? Let's see in the story. So, Sarah's ribbon did fly away. A little bird flew away with it. So, although Sarah was searching for the ribbon in the house everywhere, but it was not in the house, it Sarah's ribbon flew away. A little bird flew away with her ribbon. Okay, a smart little bird saw the red ribbon on the table. So that bird was getting attracted towards that ribbon. Maybe its color, it's red, and so it took away the ribbon which was lying on the table. The ribbon looked soft, so the bird carried it away in its beak. I hope you know the meaning of beak, children. Okay, so bird thought that it is soft, that ribbon is soft, and he can use it in his nest. So it since it was light in weight also, so it was very easy for the bird to carry it in its beak, and it was soft and light in weight, so it carried it away in its beak. The little bird wanted to tear it and use it to make her nest soft. So bird wanted to tear away that ribbon and wanted to use it in its nest, so that nest can be soft, where it can keep the eggs and everything, and whenever bird is going to sit in that nest, it will be very soft. Sarah looked out of the window at the tree outside. So after searching for the ribbon everywhere, now she looked out of the window on the tree, and there was something red in the nest outside. Sarah, look, mummy, there's my ribbon. So when she saw something red in the nest, she thought that it must be her ribbon. So she asked her mother to look out and see the ribbon in the nest. Mummy, yes, there it is. Never mind. Never mind means don't worry, don't think about it, don't mind, okay? Just leave it. The little bird wants to make her nest soft for her eggs. So mama is explaining Sarah that bird wanted the ribbon to use it for its nest, so that her nest can be soft. Okay, so that she can lay eggs over there and she can keep her eggs comfortably in that soft nest. Soon baby birds will come out of the eggs. So when those eggs will get hatched, they will break, some new babies will come out of those eggs. Let her keep it, I will give you a new one. So mama said, let her keep that ribbon with her and I'll give you the new one. Okay children, go through the story and try to understand the difficult words. Thank you.